Hello everyone, happy October 21st. Today we celebrate reptiles, apples, and the joy of counting. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Reptile Awareness Day, a cool celebration of scaly creatures and their unique charm. A great gift could be a reptile-themed book, a donation to a wildlife rescue, or a plush toy for young herpetologists. What's your favorite reptile? Let's slither into the comments. Next, it's National Apple Day, a crisp tribute to one of nature's most versatile fruits. A sweet gift could be an apple pie baking kit, a cider sampler, or a set of apple-themed kitchen towels. Red, green, or golden. Let's pick our favorites below.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's Count Your Buttons Day, a quirky celebration of small details and playful collections. A thoughtful gift could be a button craft kit, a vintage button jar, or a sewing-themed notebook. How many buttons are in your home right now? Let's count together in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for November 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.